Hey friends, it's Lena from Bujo and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to unbox this beautiful collaboration collection from Notebook Therapy and Blossom Bujo. This collection is called the Bunny Blush Collection. So let's get started with the bullet journal. In this collection, there are two different colors you can pick from. There is the honey butter color and the blush pink color. As you can see here, I chose blush pink and I'm just so happy with it. I tend to lean more towards neutral tones, so this blush pink is just absolutely stunning. On the front cover, there is a little gold foil chubby bunny with some sakura, and it's just so cute. You can see how the gold foil reflects against the light, and it's just so pretty, but also like very subtle, so it's really nice that it's not like super in your face. But I just love chubby bunnies, so I just thought it was super adorable. The page edges are gilded with gold, which is always really pretty and nice. It's just like a really pretty detail, but I tend to slice off the ends of my pages for my tabs, so kind of sucks because I kind of lose that gold foil, but that's okay. Every Notebook Therapy Bujo always comes with a matching paper clip, so we have a cute little chubby bunny paper clip, and it's just adorable. I don't really use paper clips that much just because they always tend to like bend my pages, and that just kind of irks me, so they're kind of more for decorative purposes, and I usually include them in my flat lay. So here we have the inside of the notebook. As you can see, it's dot grid. I got it in the original size, which is slightly smaller than A5. I am thinking I'm going to move more towards smaller Bujos, but we will see for the second half of the year. And that's the bullet journal. So let's move on next to the washi tape collection, which is always one of my favorites because who doesn't love washi tape? Always got to add to my hoard. It looks like for this collection we're back to a box with a top instead of pull-out. Doesn't really matter to me. It's still a really pretty box and always nice to have since they're so sturdy, and I can always use it for other things if I decide to take the washi out and put it in my drawers instead. I like to keep the box to still hold like little knickknacks and stuff for my crafting supplies. All of their washi tape collections always has 3 washi sticker sheets, which you can see here. We have a cute chubby bunnies sticker sheet, a functional sticker sheet with dots and little tags and such, and I think you can write on them. Usually you can write with like an archival ink pen or a Sharpie, but I just tend to use it for decorative purposes. And the last sheet is another sheet of bunnies. So the first bunny sheet has some gold foil with the little, I guess, sparkles and stuff. They're all gold foiled. So yeah, those are the sticker sheets and they're adorable and they match the box. So let's get with unboxing this box of washi tapes. So for this collection, this box has 8 different tapes of different sizes. 2 of the tapes are the PET tape material. As you guys know, PET stands for some long fancy word for plastic. And there is like a tape, which is what I'm picking up right now, that are little sticker flakes instead. So I guess it's not really a true washi tape, but it is made of the washi material. We also have this stamp style sticker sheet with cute little bunnies and different little sakura / cherry blossom illustrations. Then the PET tape, which this one is actually my favorite of the collection. I just think it's so pretty and versatile. You can see the beautiful gold foil in it. And it's also really nice because it's like, the transparent background, so it looks really pretty against like the white paper in your bullet journal. I also use the sakura illustrations as an inspiration for my April theme. As you guys know, I have a cherry blossoms theme for my April bullet journal. So it just was like really nice because I was like, I don't really actually know how to draw cherry blossoms. And I looked at other people's different ways of drawing cherry blossoms, and I found that Blossom Bujo or Nathalie's blossoms are like the cutest and chubbiest, so I use those as inspiration. So yeah, I kind of talked my way through the other washi tapes, but I will be doing a swatch later in this video in like a couple minutes. So not even a couple minutes, a couple seconds. So you can see all the tapes instead of me just picking them up and showing you the different types here. Okay, time for swatching in my sticker book. As you all know, I like to use this sticker book with like the release paper to put my swatches. I actually end up like using these swatches later. I'll just like pick them up from the paper and use it. So I'm gonna let the rest of the video speak for itself, and you can see the swatches of these beautiful washi and pet tapes. So there are 8 designs in total. The 8th design is these little washi sticker flakes of these chubby bunnies. There are 9 designs in total, and it's nice because they are all individualized. So you can just like cut a strip off or just cut off like one and share it with your friends to share your wealth of stationery. So that's all the washi tape swatches. I hope you all enjoyed unboxing this collection from Notebook Therapy and Blossom Bujo with me. Again, it is the Bunny Blush collection. Thank you to Notebook Therapy and Nathalie for kindly gifting me this collection. I'm so grateful to receive it. And just a reminder to my followers and viewers that I am an affiliate of Notebook Therapy, and you can use my discount code WISCOBUJO for 10% off your entire order. If you liked this video, please comment, like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!